File management. File management is a process of handling and organizing files in a computer. It involves creating, opening, saving, closing, and managing different types of files. First is open, to access and view a file that already exists. Example, double-click a Word file to open it Microsoft Word. Second, save, to store the current word or changes you made in a file. After editing a document, click File to save, or press Ctrl S to keep your updates. Third, close, to exit the file after finishing work without deleting it. Fourth, file types. Different computer programs save files in different format or types. Each file type has a specific extension, that letter of the dot, and a different name, like document that tells the computer what program can open it. First, Word document. It is used for writing text document like reports, essay, and letter. You can open it using Microsoft Word. Second, Excel spreadsheet, used for organizing data, making charts, or doing calculation. Open, use Microsoft Excel. Third, PowerPoint presentation, used for creating slide down and presentation. Open, use Microsoft PowerPoint. 4. Text file, contain only simple text without any formatting, no color and blood. Open, use Notepad or any text editor. 5. Image file, used for saving pictures or photos. Open, use photo or any image viewer. 6. PDF file, stand for portable document format. It used for read-only documents that look the same on all devices. Open, use Adobe Acrobat Reader or web browser. 7. CAD drawing, used for the technical drawing and design. Open, use AutoCAD software.